Hi, all. Welcome to week 3. I wanted to take a minute to go over this week's module. We're doing week 3 right here. So, I have an introduction here to give you an overview of the week. We're studying climate change. Many of you talked about the desire to learn more about climate change in your student surveys at the beginning of the semester. Excuse me. So we're going to learn a lot more about climate change this week. First, through a research using NASA's website. NASA has a really great website, climate.nasa.gov. And if you're ever wanting to learn more, or you're having a debate and you want some, really nicely well-researched, credible resource, this is a great resource for you. And also, as you decide to learn more, you can go take deep dives into this website. So first, you're going to do some background research on climate change. And then I've included a short presentation here for you all to review some concepts to kind of fill in the blanks about climate change science and how it works. And then there's a video this week. So this video, it's about 57 minutes long. It's with David Attenborough. You've probably seen him in the Planet Earth videos. He narrates a lot of videos, but it's a well done video, and it will give you a good overview of climate change, not just what's happening, excuse me, what the evidence for it is and how it's changing the earth, but there's a nice overview of the solutions and recent solutions like the Paris Agreement and what different folks are doing to try to address climate change. I've included a discussion for you to talk with each other about what you think about what you learned. I totally acknowledge that climate change is a somewhat depressing topic. So I hope that I'd like first to let you know that if you're feeling down about climate change, it means you care, which is really helpful if it means we're going to do anything about it. And the other thing is next week, we're going to be talking about solutions to climate change. So there are a lot of folks doing the work and really working hard for change and for shifting. And so know that that is coming. We will be talking about that. Don't forget to comment on last week's discussion post. So last week we talked about how we study environmental science, and we had a discussion about your week in science. So this is where you'll comment on each other's posts, 3 posts per person. Well, you're going to comment on 3 other students. That's what I mean by that. And then lastly, there is the regular weekly wrap up, which just gives me an idea of how your week went. I've also included an extra credit opportunity. It says 0 points, but you can earn up to 5 points extra credit. And I've listed a bunch of different links to find events near you. If you don't live in the Bay Area, you can look up where you live and Earth Day events near you and attend one of those. And so you'll be attending one of these and taking a picture of yourself there and submitting a 1-page summary of what you learned or what your experience was like for up to 5 points extra credit. So that's our week. As always, reach out to me with any questions. Have a great week and take care.